Hey, look at this big boy. Hey.
Oh, look at protecting the baby. Yeah, fuck it, we go swimming here. Is this waterproof too, this camera?
So, what do you think about La Jolla, bro?
Yeah, you're gonna see, bro. It's supposed to be one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in the country.
No way.
That's it.
In the country?
Yeah, buddy.
Dang.
Oh,
It's a hell of a statement.
we're gonna fill it out.
Let's get it. What do you think about this brand? Rivian.
It's a new electric car, man.
Yeah.
It's tight. It was dope. I've never ridden in one though. Have you been in one?
Hey, look who's calling.
Hey, Rahimi. Send it.
All right, send it. All right, see you. Bye. Send it.
He just finished?
No, he's about to. He still has an appointment. It's gonna be done around 7. He said,
Perfect.
or maybe before. If this client is good.
Alright, let's go right.
So we're saying like this was one of the best neighborhoods in the country, huh?
That's what they say.
What's your favorite in Miami? What's your favorite neighborhood?
Probably Wynwood.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brickell's nice, but it's downtown. It's really expensive.
Gotcha.
South Beach is cool, but just very touristy.
Oh yeah, man. When I was there, you know, when you see the movies and stuff, you think, oh, this is great, but as soon as you step there, it's just like too much.
It's a lot.
Too much.
It's okay.
Got the fancy salons here. Got a haircut for 1,000. They make that hair grow back.
For you, discount 800. From out of
For
town.
you, discount 1,005. We gotta put the taxes on.
Send me a trip to Turkey.
Yeah, that's pretty much the price. But here they do it with the massage. They massage their hair out. Hey, it looks good there.
There's a nice I met a nice Moroccan guy here last time.
Yeah?
Yeah, he got an art gallery. We'll see if he's
No
working.
shit. Damn. How was he like a young guy or older?
Older guy, but he's a fucking millionaire, bro. He said he owns his whole block.
No way.
Yeah, we went here. This is a good place, good bar, brunch restaurant, Cody's.
What do you mean? You just met and like you started like hanging out? Or what?
Yeah. I was walking by and I was with my two friends were sexy, so we started chatting.
Oh, that was back before.
But we went here, have some nice drinks on the patio, nice breakfast. We all work a bit.
Good
And
this.
he's the one that recommended us to go to I think Ocean Beach for the sunset.
Yeah.
That's where we're gonna walk down there. To the seals.
Yeah, bro. The fucking like the view,
Yeah, well,
sick. California love. Oh shit, what's that? What? What? A restaurant. Nah, I think more like an ice cream shop or something.
Might be more pop in. Talk to the locals.
Let's go.
Get a beer.
Yes, sir.
Yo, look, these flowers are crazy. They look like a rose.
Yeah.
They just grow like
My
that.
girl is crazy about these flowers
Yeah.
lately. She's been buying these like big ass flowers. I'm like, all right, well, it's cool to have, but like, I don't need them. Mark Chagall is the guy, huh? Yeah? Yeah.
Jersey style.
Hey, these Corvettes be looking good. Yeah. They're almost like a Ferrari.
That's the vibe they give off.
It's my next whip, try to extend it.
Hey, convertible.
Yeah, why not?
Top down.
I don't know if I want that in Berlin, but I'll have one just here.
Yeah.
I leave it here.
Park it. Harris, make sure you take care of
I
the.
don't know if Harris will take care of it. Him driving the way he does, and like under the substances he uses.
Couple beers this way. We'll send it down here.
Send it. So this is the real California, huh? La Jolla. And that's something.
She met him when he had all that money.
Something light.
It's really old, but like,
She needs a bath.
yeah, bro. I think it's just been here for a minute.
My boy's probably in
That's,
Morocco.
oh
half the
my
year.
god, that's sad, bro.
It's a wheelie.
To Miami, boy.
There he goes, look the wheelie.
Hey,
Hey, come back. We want to get
Nice.
you. I knew he was gonna do it.
did for the camera.
Yeah.
Yo, you wanna go that way or this way?
We'll go down. We'll go down
I like
to the
that
right.
ring.
Just wanna go there to like have a
Yeah, of course.
little shot there. I love it, bro. Reminds me of Greece. Greece was like this too. Like
Yeah.
we'd like go not like this, but like
No,
the
the water
water
like
would
that,
be. My girl got these glasses where like you put them on,
Yeah.
it had like this filter, then you would look a bit different and like
What?
blue.
Like that's
You would not look like with normal glasses.
Yeah, we bring those to music festivals because all the lasers and the lights look crazy.
Yeah,
Start a new life here. Just need a little tent.
that's it.
We might see some surfers. Sometimes we go that way, catch the surfers playing.
It's cut through the grass. Oh, that's what we're missing in Berlin, man. The beach.
Yeah.
Fucking beach. Does Tampa have access to the beach?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Beautiful beaches.
No way.
Yeah, you come by me, bro. I live 15 minutes from the
Damn.
number one beach in Florida.
No shit.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Clearwater Beach.
Huh? Clearwater Beach?
Clearwater.
Clearwater.
The sand, bro, is like so fine, and you pick it up, no chunks. It's
Nice.
just,
Another vibe when you live in a city with the beach.
Yeah.
It's really another
I've
vibe.
never been a beach guy though.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You don't like
I
the
don't
beach?
like the sand. I mean, it's cool. I hang
Yeah,
out
you
there,
don't like
but
the
I'm
sand
not.
between your toes and shit?
No, I don't like it.
Fucking hate it too, but like
Yeah,
I
hate
mean,
it. When I lived in Miami, bro, I went to Miami Beach. I lived 3 blocks away. I go maybe 5 times.
it was me in Santa Barbara.
I'm
I
in the
used to
fucking
live there.
nightclub.
It was me in Santa Barbara. Like I was like in front of the beach.
That's my
I
beach.
go tomorrow.
Yeah.
And my ass is back in Berlin. I'm like, shit.
Hey,
Damn, bro, this is great.
you see all the seals on the rock?
Yeah.
We're gonna go closer though down here to the cove. That's the main spot.
Yeah, there is also seas there?
Yeah, you can get
Let's
close
go.
to them. Damn, look at this shit down on the beach. Look at it.
My boy. No days off.
We might have to go down there.
Yeah, we need to go for a swim soon.
Look at this shit right here in the black. God damn, better than me.
Definitely doesn't smell good, but do not approach sea lions. Nah,
Don't pedal.
I'd rather not. Motherfuckers be waiting a ton or something.
Yeah, bro.
Make room for more.
That's it.
Why are they here? Because they're terrestrial. Seals and sea lions need to leave the water or haul out 7 to 8 hours per day to rest and regulate their bodies.
Close right here.
Oh shit. Like I'm good, I'm still alive.
Posing for you. Just want to go rub his belly.
Nah, the alligator would be jealous.
Go smell it on me. Look at that big boy.
Holy
God
fuck.
damn, that's the king of the castle.
Damn, don't fuck with this one.
That's a whopper.
This one would just like sleep with you and kill you.
There's some nice picture points over this way.
Yeah.
I'll get you some good pictures. Okay, we see you on it. See you, big boy.
Smell is definitely strong.
Yeah, right?
It's mostly the bird, to be honest.
Good cook. Look, we got something like scuba diving right there, you see him?
Yeah, shit, yeah.
A bunch of them. Yeah, this look, just the Hoya Cove right here.
Oh yeah, I think
we
it's
could-
an activity there.
We could go swimming here, not today, but when we come back.
Yeah, for sure. It looks good, I like the water.
Daddy's down there too.
Good for you, bud. Hey, look at this big boy. Hey.
Oh, look at protecting the baby. Yeah, fuck it, we go swimming here. Is this waterproof too, this camera?
Yeah,
We bring that shit in there.
yeah.
Fuck it, we should go right here and send it. Get some videos up close.
Yeah, let's go. Go down quick. Damn, that's a big one. Alright, he's back.
He's not happy about something. This is cool. We can walk around. There's a little cave, like tunnel here to go through.
Damn, he's like, you guys are
That's it,
getting
I'm
too
out.
close.
Y'all ain't got no food. Fuck this. I'm
Look at
out.
him fucking. It's like, out. They're quick in the water.
Yeah, bro. Fucking. That's crazy, bro. They just swim up all on the rocks and shit. Guy's massive.
Damn.
This is cool. Last time I came here, there was only like 2, 3 people down there.
Oh, he's trying to get his chick.
Hey,
He's calling for his girl.
yeah.
She's like,
He's
no.
running. They scared. They
She's
look
like,
they did
hell no,
something.
not today. I think he's gonna catch the kids if
Slow down.
fuck you like
Oh,
episode.
look at the puppy one. It's so small.
Yeah.
Oh shit, the camera for the people.
He's just trying to get it out of his system. No one's trying to help him out. No chick's trying to help him out.
Oh, that was gonna send it back in the water.
Let's go down quick before the camera turns off again. Can't risk it with this camera now. Damn, bro, looking forward for a swim here.
Right?
It's also like the salt water is good for our skin.
Bring a nice like big towel to lay out.
Yeah, like a little tan. We'll be
Get a
like,
cooler, pack it up.
fuck yeah. I don't know about that. Let's go, California, baby.
California living.
California, baby.
Right here.